so just a nice slow roll on the way out.
Ready.
Ready? Nose coming up a little bit. Down we go. Let's see how fast she really rolls.
Okay.
Okay, hold on to your head. You ready?
Here we go. What is that roll rate? Unbelievable.
About 500 degrees a second.
500 degrees.
Yeah. Want to go around twice?
Okay, here we go. 2-0.
There you go. 3, 2, 1.
On Alpha 1 there in Texas.
Wow.
Alpha across from...
That's awesome. It really is awesome.
Want to hang upside down?
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to hang for your belts, but you're not going anywhere. You ready?
All right.
Here we go.
Yeah. Upside down, hanging in the belts, hanging out of the seat.
How's that for a view?
Cool. That's quite a view. Heel belts upside down, yeah.
Nice. How about we loop it?
All right.
Trying to smoke on for this.
All right, here we go. We're going to do a loop.
Hooks on. Here we go.
Yeah,
To the side so you can see who you are. Load it over the top.
Very nice.
There's our smoke down there.
See our smoke down below us. Oh, wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
Very nice.
The hammerhead?
Hammerhead.
Yep.
We'll be ready.
Hammerhead stall. We're actually stop and fall off to the side, right? All right.
Hooks on. Here we go. Look out to the left wing so you can see where you are. That way you can see the pivot at the top.
Only flight runway 30, clear takeoff.
Going down.
Go straight up, straight up, straight up.
Straight up.
And here comes the pivot. Right now.
Wow.
Here's our smoke.
I see our shadow of what we did. Hammerhead
Here comes
stall.
the G's. Ready?
All right, here's the G. Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Great job.
Very nice. Beautiful.
There's a smoke over there. We did a loop before. We'll fly right to the middle of it.
How many G's do you think we would pull as we come out of that?
That was probably 4.5, 5 G's.
Very nice.
Alright, you want to see what tumble is like? We'll do a vertical tumble. It's not that bad of a ride. It's just kind of cool.
Okay, this is a vertical tumble.
And we got some speed. We're going to pull straight up like the hammerhead.
Okay.
Then we're going to roll on the way up, and then at the top we're going to tumble. If you keep watching the left wing, you'll see the motion of us rotating around the wing.
Alright.
Ready? Smoke's on. Going vertical. Watch out the left side. Just watch right the left wing tip. And here comes the roll. And here comes the tumble. Got the left.
Oh, wow.
How's that?
That is unreal. Wow. That is really cool. I mean, I've done a lot of aerobatics with a lot of different people, including a couple of Blue Angels flights. I don't think I've ever experienced anything like that.
Pretty neat, huh?
Pretty neat.
Alright, we'll do one more normal tumble, then we'll head back in.
All right. I see here it says warning, intentional straight and level flight prohibited. You kind of live by that rule, don't you?
Pretty much, yeah. Alright, so for this one here, we're going to pull up 45 degrees.
All right.
Hooks on, pulling up. We're going to roll inverted. So here comes the tumble. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Oh, wow. Wow. Scramble your brain a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit. Good job, man. You did good.
Oh, man, that's awesome. I mean, that is a heck of a flight. I don't remember ever doing anything like that before. Really.
Oh, good. You give the tower a call here. Tower, MX2 is about 5-6 miles out along the shoreline and about for landing.
MX2 runway 30, clear land, wind 030 at 4.